Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is Thursday, 17th December 2020. Your topic is The Elves and the Shoemaker. Your book is Read Now. Today we will do back exercise of the chapter The Elves and the Shoemaker. Open page number 89. Now class, open page number 89 of your Read Now book. Today we will do the back exercise of this chapter. Exercise 1 is fill in the blanks using the correct options. But first of all, write classwork and short date on your books. Fill in the blanks using the correct options. The options are given here: sheep, coal, letters, pictures, luggage, suits. Now you can put these words into the sentences. Number A is a postman brings. What a postman bring? Who is a postman? I will tell you, postman is a man who brings letters. Who brings letters? See the picture of a postman? See, this is a picture of a postman who brings letters. B is a shepherd watches. Shepherd is a man who watches sheep. Shepherd is a man who watches sheep. Now this is the picture of a shepherd. This is a picture of a shepherd. C is an artist paints dash. Who is artist? An artist is a person who paints the picture. An artist is a person who paints the picture. See, this is a picture of artist who paints the picture. D is a miner digs for dash. Who is a miner? Who digs for coal. See the picture of miner? See, this is a picture of a miner. E is a tailor makes dash. A tailor, who is tailor? Who stitch our clothes. A tailor makes suits. A tailor makes suits. This is a picture of a tailor who stitch our suits. F is a porter carries dash. A porter carries luggage. Porter is a person who carries our luggage. See, this is a picture of a porter who carries our luggage. Part 2 is put was or were in the spaces. Now we put was and were in the given spaces. Was is used with singular words, means one person or one thing. Were is used with plural words, plurals more than one. A dash the dress is pretty. Dash the dress is pretty. Dresses are plural, so we use were with dresses. Were the dresses pretty? B is dash the stone heavy. See in this sentence, the word stone is singular, so we use was with singular word. C part, dash he in good times. He is one person. He is singular, so we use was with single person. D is dash we first. We is a plural, so we used were with we. E, they dash frightened. See in this sentence, they is plural. They means many. They were. We use were with plural words. They were frightened. But I is a singular. So we use was. But I was not. F is the spelling dash easy. Spelling. Spelling means one thing. So we use was with spelling. But the sums dash difficult. Sums are plural. So we use were with sums. The spelling was easy, but the sums were difficult. Exercise 3 is, which of these would you like to be? Silly. Do you want to be a silly? No. See the picture of silly. Do you want to be a silly boy? No. Next is stupid. Do you want to be a stupid? No. Good. Good. Yes, you want to be a good person. Cruel. See, this is a picture of a cruel man. You want to be cruel? No. Next is happy. Yes, we want to be a happy. Kind. Yes, we want to be a kind. See the picture of happy and kind. See, this is a picture of a happy person. You want to be a happy? See, this is a picture of a kind person who help others. Clever. You want to be clever? No. Tidy. Tidy is a person who always clean. Selfish. No. We don't be as selfish. See, this is a picture of a selfish man. Wise. See, this is a picture of a wise man who always think with their brain. So do this part on your books. Now part 4 is excuse me, thank you, whoosh, hello, goodbye, oh. Which do I say when I get something? When we get something, what would we say? We say thank you. Thank you for giving something. Number 2 B part is meet a friend. When we meet our friend, what we say? We say hello. C part is go in front. When we go in front of someone, we say excuse me. D is I'm surprised. Oh, I'm surprised. We use oh. Want quite. Oh, shh. Leave a friend. When we leave a friend, we say goodbye. We say goodbye. Now do this part 4 on your books. Complete exercise on your read now books and send me your feedback. Thank you so much. Morning and Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is Friday, the day of blessings. Wish you a day filled with pleasant hours and times that you would not forget. Have a beautiful day. Your topic is the Elves and the Shoemaker. Today we will do words meaning and word sentences of this chapter. Open your English literature notebooks and maintain your pages. First of all, draw a straight margin line. Don't use blunt pencils. Sharp your pencils again and again. Write in a beautiful handwriting. Write classwork and date Friday, 18 December 2020. Chapter number is 22. The topic is the Elves and the Shoemaker. Exercise 1. Write the meanings. Write words meaning. Your first word is scarce. Scarce mean small quantity or few. See the picture? See, this is a picture of few or a small quantity. Number 2 is ready. Number 2 is ready. What is the meaning of ready? The meaning of ready is prepared. Ready, prepared. Number 3 is tired. Number 3, tired. What is the meaning of tired? In need of sleep or rest. Tired mean weary. Tired, weary. Number 4 is finished. Number 4, finished. What is the meaning of finished? Ended. Not able to continue. The meaning of finished is ended. Number 5 is trade. Number 5, trade. What is the meaning of trade? The meaning of trade is business. Buying and selling something. Buying and selling something, or business. Number 6 is elf. Number 6, elf. The meaning of elf is an imaginary creation. An imaginary creation like fairy and ghost. Honest, trustworthy. Honest, trustworthy. The meaning of honest is who tell the truth. Who tell the truth. Number 8 is lovely. What is the meaning of lovely? Good looking. The meaning of lovely is good looking. Now write down the meanings on your English literature notebooks and send me your feedback. Now maintain your next page. Write classwork date Friday 18 December 2020, chapter number 22. The topic is the elves and the shoemaker. Exercise 2, make sentences. Words, sentences. These are the words. You will make the sentences by your own self. Shoemaker. Who is a shoemaker? Shoemaker is a person who makes shoes. So make the sentence of shoemaker. A shoemaker is a kind man. A shoemaker is a kind man. What is the meaning of pair? A pair means a set of two things. A set of two things. Now make the sentence of pair. I have 2 pair of shoes. I have 2 pair of shoes. Number 3 is honest. Number 3 is honest. What is the meaning of honest? The meaning of honest is a truthful man. A truthful man. And make the sentence of honest. Ali is an honest boy. Ali is a honest boy. Number 4 is rise. Meaning of rise is move from a lower position to a higher one. So make the sentence of rise. Sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. Number 5 is warm. Number 5, warm. Warm mean hot. I wear warm clothes in winters. I wear warm clothes in winters. Now make the sentences by your own self and send me your feedback. Thank you so much.